Hey there! In today's tutorial we will dive into creating this stunning dripping lava in After Effects. Let's get started. Alright guys, now we're over on Freepik and I'll be using this graphic cartoon lava splashes. The artwork is from this artist, let's grab it. Just click on that download button. Patience is key here. Let's wait a moment for the download to be completed. And there we have it. Our graphic is now downloaded. Click open and let's move to Illustrator. Once you've opened the file in Illustrator, we'll start by locking the background layer. Select all the objects, ungroup them, and then deselect this one, deleting the rest. Now let's center the main cartoon lava object in the middle of the canvas. Hold Ctrl and drag to extend it. Next, let's remove the unnecessary splashes. We will use the direct selection tool. Hold down Ctrl and click on each one. And delete. Zoom in to see the smaller pieces. Hold down Ctrl again and click on each one. These edges too. Then hit delete. Zoom back out to get a full view. Now we'll use the eraser tool to remove this unwanted part. Select it and erase. Switch back to the selection tool and center it once again. Hold down Ctrl and drag to extend it further. Lastly, let's save the file. Click File, then Save As. Save it as an AI file. Rename it Lava and save. Alright, now we're in After Effects. Let's bring the file in. Open the folder where you saved it and drag it into After Effects. Ensure you choose to open it as a composition. Click to open the composition, and here we have our two layers. First, let's lock the background layer. Now let's create another composition. Make sure it's 1920 by 1080. You can name it Dripping Lava if you'd like. Keep the duration over 15 seconds. Click OK, and now let's move to YouTube. Here we are on YouTube. We'll use this video from this channel. Now let's bring in our video. Drag it into the recent composition we created. Next, let's find where the video's intro ends. I think it's right here. Yes, that's it. Now trim the clip start, drag it to the beginning of the composition. Now let's find where it ends. But before trimming the end, make sure to duplicate the video. So as long as they're the same, trim the end of one of them and the start of the other. Then drag it to the beginning of the composition. Find where the dripping starts. There it is. Trim the start again and drag it all over the beginning. Finally, trim the end. And there we have our two main clips that we'll be using to create our lava. Now let's use the key light effect to remove the green screen from our video. Go to Effect, click on Keying, and select Key Light. Then use the pen tool to click over the green screen and watch it disappear. Guys, we're going to need to hop back over to our file in Illustrator to make some quick edits. Let's do this quickly. First, let's delete the background. We won't need it. Select the lava object and extend it a little bit. Then hold down Shift and drag to make a copy. Double click on the copy, choose Transform, and select Reflect. Hold down Shift and rotate it vertically. Then position it up here exactly like this. Next, search for artboards to edit the size of our canvas. Enter 1920 by 1080 and hit OK. Zoom back out to get a full view. Select both objects and group them. Then center them in the middle and hold down Ctrl while dragging to extend to fit the new canvas size. And finally save it. So as you see, we've still got the channel logo left, but it's okay. It's not a deal breaker, not a problem. Now let's copy the key light effect to the other clip to remove the green screen from it as well. Hide the transparency grid. And now we'll bring in the lava file. Drag it into After Effects. Place it under the first clip and see if it fits. If not, we'll scale and extend it so it can perfectly fit. Now duplicate it for the other clip and bring it under it too, because we will be using the track matter, alpha matte specifically. So click on None and choose alpha matte. And as you can see, the clip takes on the view of our lava graphic and the logo has disappeared too. Alright, now let's pre-compose them. Select them, double click, pre-compose, and name it Lava 1. Hit OK. Hide it for now, and let's repeat the same process for the other clip. Now let's position them. Hit P to open the position properties, and drag the first clip all the way to the left and the other to the right so they can both be shown on the screen at once. Now click one of them to open the composition. We'll add a glow effect to bring some life and make them look more realistic. But before that, let's add an adjustment layer. Go to Layer, click New, and choose Adjustment Layer. Name it Color Correction or simply CC. Go to Effect, click on Color Correction, and choose the Saturation effect. Next, let's create another adjustment layer and name it Glow. Go to Effect, then Stylize, and select Glow. Then go to Effects Control, and drag the threshold all the way to 100. For radius, drag it all over 100. Next, go to the color correction layer and drag the saturation all the way left to achieve this stunning glow effect. Once done, duplicate both adjustment layers and apply them to the other clip as well. Return to the main composition. And with that, our tutorial is complete. I know it was quite long, but I hope you found value in it and learned something new. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. And see you in the next one.